Today I'm going to show you how we are making new hydraulic hoses. This one is hard and it's full of cracks and it leaks. So I'm going to show you how we're going to measure it, how we're going to cut it, how we're going to crimp it. See these spots? How we're going to crimp it, and I will talk you a little bit about the pressure and the sizes. You see, this one is very hard. It is because of age and heat. If you do like this, it's not supposed to be like this. Let me go show you what is the new one look like. You can bring it closer. Close. So now we're gonna look for the right pressure. This one is a 1-inch hose, and it is like this one. This is the same. If you put it nice there, you will see it is where it is. It's a 1-inch pipe, and it is 165 bar, but it can take, or 2,393 psi. It's the same as in this one. It's the same pipe. There's the old one. It is standing here. I don't think you will be able to see it on the video because the markings is already off. But this is the same. All right, let us go measure it. Right, to measure a pipe, we take any rope, and then I put it here on the collar, from the collar, because we measure our pipes from collar to collar. So because the pipe is all crooked and bended up, it's difficult to measure it. That's why I take the rope and I take it all along the pipe from the center of the pipe. And there I have the length. So now I'm going to measure it. And you will see I have a measurement of 192 centimeter. So it's 1,920 millimeter. All right. Okay, I'm gonna measure the pipe now. We start here from the beginning. Then I will go along with it. Okay, 192. I normally use Tipex, but I do not have Tipex, so I'm marking it here with the pen. And there we got it. Okay, let us cut it now. We bring it on the cutting machine. Oh, there is my tripod is coming on here. I'm not using on the moment. This is the cutting machine. Okay, here you switch it on here for safety. And then I'm stepping on this one, and this one will push the pipe down. And I will cut the pipe like this. Alright, now we're gonna need collars. This is dash 16. And then we're gonna need a 45 dash and a straight. So this is the collars we're gonna need. And here's my pipe. So first you put the collar. Then you can put the fitting. These ones, when you, this is a 2-wire pipe. Let me explain to you first. I don't know if you're gonna see it on the camera. I don't think so. But this is 2-wire. When you have 2-wire, you do not need to shave it. The collar will go over. It will fit over it. When it's 3 or 4-wire, then you will have to cut it off the skin of this. That is why we have this machine here. This is to take off the things. And but we're not going to use it now on the 2-wire. All right. Put on the fitting. And I make sure, look, there's a groove there. You have to make sure you push it right in, because when we crimp it, it will go over that groove to tighten. Okay, let me do the other side. There it is. Now we need to get the right dice. This is the different dices, and if you can see, there is numbers on it. This is a 23. No, this is 23, 32. It's a 32 and a 23. It's a 32 dice. This whole thing, this whole machine, this machine is called 32. And when you come here, you've got all them's got 32 on, because it is a P32, and this one is a 23, number 23 dice. That is a number 14 dice. So now we're going to look on the chart. We do have a 1-inch house. The 1 inch is a -16. There's your -16. It's a 1-inch house. So it means we have to use a 41 dice. And the crimping size will be 40. Okay, let's go over here. I've already got the 41 dices here. I'm not going to put it, but I want to show you what it looks like to put it in. See, it works like that. It's got a little groove here, and there is a hole inside there. When you pull this one, it pulls that thing out. Inside, it's got a little spring in it, and then you just pop it in, and it will hook in. So yeah, that is how they are working. Let me put the pipe through. It's still recording. Need to open it and switch it on. Put my hose through. I must make sure it is still in the collar, and then I got my distance right here. Then I'm gonna close it. My face is not in that way here. Alright, normally we use this dial to dial it in, and then you have it perfect on the right side. But this dial is not working, so I need to. So now I'm gonna measure it with this one. It's on 40. Okay, very nice. Now remove this one. Now we're going to do the other side. measure it again. It's right on. It's 41. I need to press it a little bit more. So I put it back. Alright, perfect. Now you can come look here. What does it look like when it's done? And this is very solid. It's a solid pipe. And it is good to go. Let me switch off this machine. And I can remove it. There is the new hose. But now we're going to put on the wrapping as well. Okay, can stop it. Go get the wrapping. Must have the right size. This is the size. Let me go there. This wrapping we put it on because it helps. Where we put the machine on, the pipe onto the machine, it goes through and then it rubs to some other pipes or the sides. There where you cannot strap it very correctly. So that is why we use this, and it helps to let the pipe last longer and not rubbing, to prevent it rubbing through. So now I'm gonna take my hose. I'm gonna measure the length of the hose, just like this. Should I make it a bit longer or not necessary? Doesn't seem like it's necessary. So yeah, I just take roughly a measurement. I'm gonna cut it here again. Now to put on this one, I'm going to put it on here, on the table. That's why we call it spiral wrapping. It's because it's like a spiral. Yeah, and now I'm just continuing putting this on. Continue. Okay, now you see I cut it a little bit short. I'm not working every day with this, so I've cut it a little bit short, but it's not a problem. Then I'm just continuing to put other one on. There it is. That is good enough. Now this side we will cut off. Alright, and there is the new pipe. See the new pipe? Now we're gonna put, if I'm taking this to site to put it on the machine, we need to close these holes. There's not going dirt in it. So we just put a plastic cap in like that. There it is. One new high pressure hydraulic pipe. I hope you learned something today, or that you enjoyed it with me all along through this video. Remember, please subscribe, give me a like button, and in the comments tell me what you think, or just give me a emoji. Cheerio out.